Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate 70 and let me show you how to log in with your Gmail to this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select users and accounts. Now select Add account and mark Mail. Now select Gmail here, continue. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and now on Google side, as you can see we've been redirected here, you can provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. And as only the password is entered, click on Next. And as you can see, you can customize here all the access permissions. So tap on Allow, and here you will get some notifications. Okay, now it has been done. So you are signing with your Google account here, with your Gmail. So that's it. Now you can browse with it. Have the same browsing history. If you'll go back here, let me just reopen it. You will not be able to see it here, but then under Gmail, you will be already logged in. So that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.